recent years, governments worldwide came to the conclusion that current public warning channels such as sirens, radio, and TV are no longer sufficient. During calamity or disaster, when electricity, internet, and cellular services go down, people will still have their handsets with them. Using the mobile phone as an alert device is an obvious choice. Mactro SMS Broadcaster is a portable emergency messaging device designed for government and military use during crisis. It is powered by a complex software algorithm and next-generation RF computer hardware. Mactro is a product of extensive engineering and years of R&D. The machine is able to send out messages to a mobile phone's SMS inbox with or without a working cellular service. Using this easy-to-operate portable transmitter, you'll be able to broadcast text message, complete with a personalized alphanumeric sender ID that will be received by all mobile phones up to 5-kilometer radius, regardless of their frequency or carrier, so long as they're within its range of reception. The sender does even not have to know the mobile numbers of the recipients, as the message will pass through the broadcaster's own transmitter, bypassing the regular telcos to reach mobile phone users. The portable transmitter may be set up in 5 minutes and may be powered by a car battery or through solar cells. Users can take advantage of the widespread use of mobile phones and the familiarity of text messaging. Mactro Broadcaster is also an effective solution for location-based advertising and targeted marketing. Mactro Technology is an emergency communications company focused on research and development to produce enabling devices and technologies that for use in severe circumstances. More information at www.mactro.com.